Hello students, today we have to start here the new topic, that is altitude. Okay, in earlier video we had already learned that the basic concepts related to the altitude and median of the triangle. Okay, now we have to start here. What is the altitude? Okay, so altitude, the perpendicular, okay, the perpendicular segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle on a side opposite to it, okay, is called the altitude. Listen here. In this triangle ABC, vertex A is there, B and C. There are three vertex. Okay. So from vertex A, we have to draw one perpendicular line to the opposite side of it. That means opposite side of this one is what? BC. So we have to draw the what? We have to draw a perpendicular line, that is AP on side BC. Okay. So this AP is called as what? AP is called as the altitude. Okay. So in this one, in triangle ABC, segment AP is an altitude of the base BC. Okay. Now next one is there, that is to draw altitude of a triangle. So how to draw the altitude of a triangle? There are some steps we have to carry out here. Okay. So first step is here what? Draw any triangle XYZ. So we have to do these steps one by one. Okay. So first of all, draw the triangle XYZ. So how to draw this? I am to use this paper. So we have to draw here one triangle which is called as XYZ. Okay, X, Y, Z. Okay. Now next step we have to done here. First step, that is draw any triangle XYZ. Now next one, draw a perpendicular from vertex X on side YZ. Okay, using set square. Okay, we have to draw a perpendicular line from X by using the set square on line on which side, that is YZ. So by using the set square we have to draw on this one. So for this one we have to put set squares like this. Clear? That means we have to get here for 90 degree. So we have to draw here perpendicular line. This one is the 90 degree. Okay. Now using set square, name the point where it meets side YZ as R. So in this point, or we have to name it as what? R. Now segment XR is an altitude on side YZ. So which segment? Segment, yes, XR is the altitude on side YZ. So we have to write here segment XR is the altitude on side YZ. This is our first point. Now next we have to done this step. Clear? Now next one, third one, considering side XZ as a base. We said XZ means this one, XZ as the base. Now draw an altitude YQ on side XZ. Segment YQ is perpendicular to segment XZ. So we have to draw here what? Segment YQ on base XZ. So how to put this set square? So it is put like that, like this. Okay, and draw the line. And this one is the 90 degree and we name it as Q. Clear? So therefore we can say that segment YQ is the altitude on side XZ. Okay, on side XZ. So we have to write like this one, that is segment YQ is perpendicular to segment XZ. Similarly, this for this one, segment XR is perpendicular to segment YZ. Clear? Now, next one, we have to done here third number step. Now next, consider side XY as base. Which one? XY. XY as the base. Draw an altitude ZP on side XY and then segment ZP is perpendicular to segment XY. So we have to draw this what? We have to draw here perpendicular line from Z. Put set square in proper manner like this. So therefore we can get here 90 degree and this point is named as P. So how to write this one? Segment ZP is the altitude on side XY and segment ZP is perpendicular to side or segment XY. Clear? So in this way we have to draw here what? For each vertex we have to draw here perpendicular line to the opposite side of it. Okay. Now next one is there. What is next? That is segment XR, segment YQ and segment ZP are the altitudes. Which one segment? Segment XR, segment YP and segment ZP is the altitudes of your given triangle. Okay. Now next concept is there or one note is there, that is the three altitudes are concurrent. Okay, that means the length of these three altitudes are same. Okay, or concurrent. The point of a concurrence is called as the orthocenter of a triangle. It is denoted by the letter O. So what is this one? This one. This point is called as what? Is called as the orthocenter. Okay, is called as the orthocenter and it is denoted as O. It is denoted as O. So this point is called as orthocenter. Clear? Orthocenter. Okay. So now in this way we have to draw here all the altitudes of your triangle from the given vertex. Okay. So now we have to see here the locations of orthocenter of a triangle. Triangles are of three types. It is right angle triangle, acute triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. Okay. So for these three types of triangles, the location of orthocenter we will discuss here. Okay. So first of all, we have to consider the first one. First is what? The heading is the location of a orthocenter of a triangle. Okay. So for first case, draw a right angle triangle. Which triangle we have to consider here? Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means the 90 degree triangle is there. Correct? And draw all its altitudes. Write the point of concurrence. Okay. We have to draw all the altitudes from this one. From the right angle triangle. So how to draw this one? First of all, we have to draw right angle triangle and then we have to draw the altitudes of that triangle. Okay. And right angle triangle means the 90 degree form here Okay, suppose this triangle name it as A B C. So therefore it is a right angle triangle because at this point the 90 degree is there. Correct? Now we have to draw all the altitudes of each and every vertex. Okay, for this one we have to draw first for vertex B. So how to draw the altitude of this one? We have to take the perpendicular for this one. So put set square like this. Okay, that means you get this one. Suppose this is P. Okay, suppose I want to increase this one. Okay, like this. Correct? Now next we have to done here for this one. Now next one is there, we have to draw the what altitude of vertex C. Okay, so for this one opposite side of this one is what AB. So put set square on opposite side, so we have to get here B point itself. When we draw the altitude of this one, we have to get the B point. At this point we have to get the 90 degree. Now for this, if you want to consider the vertex A, what is the opposite side of A? That is BC. So we have to draw the 90 degree point here. So we have to get which one? B1 itself. That means we have to draw this like this. Means the intersection point. Listen, when we draw the altitude from vertex B, we have to get like this. This line we have to get here. Now when we draw the altitude of vertex C, we have to get this line. Clear? Now when we draw the altitude of point or vertex A, we have to get this one. So for intersection of all these three altitudes are intersected at which point? At the B point itself. Okay, that means we can say that the orthocenter, this point is called as what? This point is called as the orthocenter. This point is called as the orthocenter. So therefore we can say that the orthocenter of a right angle triangle is the vertex of the right angle. That means whenever the right angle is there, so this angle is called as the orthocenter. So in this triangle, which vertex refers the right angle? That is vertex B. So therefore, orthocenter of this triangle is also vertex B here. That is right angle vertex. Clear? Understand this one? So we have to discuss here the triangle which is of the right angle triangle, which that means the triangle form triangles contains or triangle is the 90 degree triangle here. Now next we have to discuss here next type of triangle is the obtuse triangle. Okay. So what about the obtuse triangle? So we will discuss this one. Draw a obtuse angle triangle and draw all its altitudes. Write the point of occurrence, co-occurrence. Okay. Listen. What is mean by the obtuse? Obtuse angle triangle means the angle which is greater than 90 degree. Okay, angle greater than 90 degree. Angle greater than 90 degree is called as obtuse angle. So we have to draw this type of angle here. Okay, A, B, C. So observe this triangle. This angle B is greater than 90 degree. It is near about 130 or 140 degree. Okay, so therefore it is greater than 90 degree. So therefore this triangle is called as the obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so now when we draw the altitude of each vertex, so how to draw the altitude? Listen, when we consider vertex B, then how to draw? We have to put opposite sides of vertex B is AC. So put the set square like this. on the opposite side of the given vertex. Okay, and draw the line. Also we have to extend this one. Clear? So this is what? This is the 90 degree. Suppose this is okay. Now next one, you have to consider here point Q. Sorry, A. Vertex A. So when we consider a vertex A, the opposite side of vertex A is BC. So we have to extend this line here. Okay. So opposite side of vertex A is this one, this line. So we have to put the set square like this one. And extend this. Okay. Now, next one is there when we talk about the vertex C. So opposite side of vertex C is AB. So extend this one like this. Now put the set square like this. And draw the line here. And extend this line. Okay. So just observe this figure. What happened? Listen, when we draw the altitude of each vertex, the intersection, all these altitudes intersects outside the triangle. Okay. Outside the triangle. Okay. Therefore, we can conclude that the orthocenter of the obtuse angle triangle is in exterior of the triangle. Exterior means what? Exterior means outside the triangle. Your original triangle here, ABC. But when we talk about the orthocenter of this one, so orthocenter is on what? Is in the exterior of the triangle. So this point defines this one, defines what? Orthocenter. Orthocenter. Okay. So this is about the obtuse angle triangle. Now next type of triangle is the acute triangle. Okay. I hope you have to understand this one. So note down this one very properly. Okay. Now next thing is what? When we talk about the acute angle. Okay. So next is here, that is draw acute angle triangle and draw all its altitudes. Write the point of a concurrence. Okay. So acute angle means what? The angle which is less than 90 degree. The angle which is less than 90 degree is called as the acute angle. Okay. So we have to draw here acute angle first, and next we have to draw all the what? All altitudes of the triangle. Consider this triangle, triangle ABC, and observe here each angle of this triangle which is less than 90 degrees. So therefore this one is the acute angle triangle. So draw the altitude of each and every vertex. So for A vertex, the opposite side of this one is BC. So we have to draw here altitude like this. Clear? Now for point C, opposite side of this one is AB. So put the set square like this and draw here altitude. And for vertex B, we have to put set square, opposite side of vertex B is AC, sorry, and put set square like this one and draw the altitude. Clear? So this point is the intersection of all the altitudes, so therefore it is called as the orthocenter. It is called as the orthocenter. That means when we talk about the acute angle triangle, the orthocenter is the interior of the triangle, means inside the triangle is there, correct? So therefore we can note that the orthocenter of an acute angle triangle is in the interior of triangle. Okay, so we have to discuss here what is meant by the altitude and what are the locations of orthocenter. Okay, so we'll discuss this one. There are three types of the triangles. First is right angle triangle. When we talk about the right angle triangle, the orthocenter is what? Orthocenter is the vertex of the right angle. Okay. Now when we talk about the obtuse angle, the orthocenter is in the exterior of triangle. That means the orthocenter also is in outside the triangle. Now when we talk about the acute triangle, the orthocenter is in inside the triangle, or it is the interior of the triangle. So in this way we have to discuss here altitude in detail and what are the locations of orthocenter of a triangle. So I hope you have to understand this one. So please like it, subscribe it and share to your friends. Thank you.